Okay, now let's talk about the big idea. I'm going to tell you about using a swipe file correctly. An average copywriter is going to sit there and say, I just got a brand new furniture client. So they go into a copy group like ours and say, send us the swipes of every good furniture ad you've ever seen. And the reason they're swipes is because somebody finally shared it. Why did they finally start sharing it? Because it no longer works. Okay? But I've got 3 of these ads, right? So I'm going to mix them together. I'm going to take this headline and this body copy and this offer. I'm going to throw it all together. And the client goes, that's great because that looks like the professional ads I've seen other people run. So the client's pretty happy. But it doesn't do very well because to the market, it already looks like sort of similar to all the other ads they've seen. And the one thing I try and tell people is, what's the one thing that great blockbuster copy has in common that weak copy doesn't? And there's a lot of weak copy with a good offer. There's a weak copy that's, got something interesting. It sounds like something nobody's ever written before, right? So you want to use a swipe file correctly. And what you want to do is take all the winning ads you know of, but divvy them up, cut them up, put a file together just of headlines, a file together just of offers, just of opening statements, just of bullets, just of risk reversal, just of PSs. So you have all of these different parts, and when you need to find inspiration, you're drawing it from another industry so it's not looking the same as yours, and you can draw the piece that you're kind of missing, okay?